Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, hi, I am Vinita Bidhani and today I'm going to tell you how I've achieved these beautiful curls. Let's get started. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the very famous and talked about product that is the Dyson Airwrap. So the box is pretty huge and these are the products that I got in it, and I'm going to use each and every product right now and review it for you. So keep watching. This is what the basic product looks like. So this is the on and off. This one is on, this one is off, and this one is for a cold blast. This one is the fan setting. This one is low, this is medium, and this is high. This one is for the heat setting. This one is cold, the blue, and then medium, and then very hot. Like this one will be very hot. This one is the first attachment. This is basically the hair dryer attachment. So let's use this one first. I'm gonna go in with fan speed low, medium hot. Make sure the roots are dry, then and only then you can proceed with the hair styling. That's it. Just a minute of using this, then I'll go in with the other attachment. So I do this and then remove this thing. So this one is the other attachment. This is a brush. These are the flexible bristles on the brush. As you can see, they move. So like my hair is already very straight, so this one won't make much of a difference to me and just give you a nice blown out look. I'll do this side as well. It looks much better compared to the other hair which are undone now. This one, so this one is actually very nice. I really like it because this one shows that you have put in some effort in your hair. Like if you want to go out and don't want to do the basic straight hair, you can go in with this one. What I do is just take the ends and roll it on this. And as you can see, it looks like you have put in some effort on this side, and this side looks absolutely plain. So I think I really like this. So let's go in with the next attachment. I'm going to use the curling attachment. This is the 30mm wand. So let's go. I'm so excited. And this is the wand. Like, can you see the arrows going this way? So you want your curls to go not fall in your face, but to go outwards. So that is how curls are meant to be. So you want the curls to go outwards, not inwards, because that looks weird and
I would probably notice that.
So let's go in and start with this. So I take a little tiny strand of hair and just hold it and just roll it upwards. This is the curl I was exactly looking for, and this will open up in a bit. So I'm not going to do anything. This will open up by itself. I'm going to take the next strand of my hair. Wow, it looks beautiful. Like, I have no complaints with the curls it is giving me. Lovely. Perfection. I love it. I'm thinking I want curly hair now. So this is it. I'm really happy with my curls, and it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to do this, and this much to go. I'm not gonna do this part right now. By this you can get to know how the curls look. And now for the final reviewing part. I think my curls will wear off in about 1 hour. I would have to use some spray over it to keep them locked in. For the pricing, I think this is somewhat around $540. $540 is a lot to pay for this. I think the normal curling iron would also suffice if you don't want to spend this much. I want to say it again, I'm a fan of this product. I love it, love it. I love this tool. I really love it, and I would recommend it to you if you want to invest in your hair's quality. But trust me, those normal curling wands also do fine. They do good. Then just take care of your hair after that. Use a lot of homemade recipes that I share on Instagram, so go follow me there. Volume check, hair quality check, hair damage is really less. Pricing, I'm not so sure. This is very expensive. And frizz, I'm not so sure. It doesn't cancel out all the frizz. And spend wisely. Just buy it if you want, and if you don't. So I hope you like the video. Hit the subscribe button, please. This time I'm requesting you, this is the first time I'm ever saying this, please like, subscribe, everything, whatever's needed. Okay, thank you.